OpenAI calls 5.3 their biggest leap ever. It couldn't install NPM packages. I built the same app with both Codex and Claude, same prompts side by side. So I built a GitHub Repo Roaster where you paste a repo URL, it fetches the code, and AI roasts the quality. It's a silly idea, but that's the point. Both models got the same two prompts. First, build the app from scratch. Second, polish the UI. Add markdown rendering, copy and share buttons, language badges, and a savageometer for roast intensity. Let's see who delivered. Oh, and for the roast target, I picked the Openclaw repository. Here's where it got interesting before a single line of code was written. Claude Opus 4.6 did something I didn't ask for. It looked at my prompt and automatically switched to plan mode. No input from me. It judged that this project needed proper planning before jumping into code. It mapped out the architecture, outlined the components, identified what APIs it would need. Then, and this is the part that matters, it started implementation in fresh context. Clean slate, no leftover assumptions from the exploration phase leaking into the actual code. That's not a small thing. Claude Code's creator, Boris, talks a lot about this. When planning context bleeds into implementation, you get hallucinations. Claude avoided that by design. I made a whole video about it, links on the screen if you haven't seen it. Now Codex 5.3, I was using pragmatic mode, supposed to be the direct, no-nonsense personality. Codex created a plan too, but with less detail. Fair enough, different approach. But then it tried to install dependencies. First attempt, failed. Second attempt, failed. Third attempt, it gave up entirely and told me the project was ready to test without the dependencies installed. Now here's the twist. I switched Codex from pragmatic to friendly personality, and the dependency install worked on the first try. I've tested pragmatic mode before, and every single time it caused problems. Buggy code, broken installs, UI issues. Claude installed everything on the first try. No personality swap needed. No second attempts. Both models got through the build eventually, but the experience was very different. With Claude, I described what I wanted, it built it, it ran. First try, everything worked. The app loaded, the API calls connected, the roast came back. Clean. With Codex, the app built and ran too. But the process of getting there was painful. Here's what kept happening. Codex has a permission prompt just like Claude Code. It asks before running any commands. Sounds basic. But multiple times I tried to select and submit, and the Codex just couldn't capture the input. Nothing. I click, nothing happens, click again, nothing. I ended up exiting the app and retrying multiple times. Eventually, I gave up on the dialog entirely and started running commands manually in the terminal. And at that point, what's the purpose of the AI coding assistant? If I'm running the commands myself, I'm just using a very expensive terminal. Now the fun part. Both apps are running. Time to see how they handle the second prompt. Make the UI better and add a savageometer. Let me be fair here. Codex UI was actually cleaner. Better spacing, very minimal, polished look. Credit where it's due. Claude's UI was more modern. Nice animations, good layout. But if we are just comparing the visual design, Codex had the edge. But then I looked at the roast. Claude came in at about a 6 out of 10 on the savageometer. Spicy and specific. It called out the actual code patterns and didn't hold back. Codex was around a 4. Polite and general observations. Now Codex did have one nice touch. It added a top 3 recommendation section at the end of each roast. That was genuinely useful. But here's what stood out most about Claude's approach. It roasted the repo, real criticism, and then genuinely appreciated the work that went into it. Honest criticism paired with honest respect. And honestly, I think that says something about how these models are built. But I'll let you draw your own conclusions on that. Let me just lay out what happened. Claude planned automatically, executed in fresh context, Codex planned and then failed to install dependencies. Claude ran on first try. Codex had permission prompt bugs that forced me to work around the tool entirely. Codex had a cleaner UI, Claude had a better roast quality and a more genuine personality. Look, Codex 5.3 isn't broken. The app works, the UI is nice, the recommendations feature was a good idea. But there's a lot of hype right now about 5.3 being a massive leap in AI coding. In my testing, it struggled with basics, installing packages, capturing user inputs, things that should just work. Claude wasn't flashy about it. It just worked, plan, built, run, first try. If you're picking a coding model today based on reliability, based on what actually ships without you babysitting, in my experience, it's not close. Here's the thing. I wanted both to be great. Competition makes everything better. When Codex delivers, it pushes Claude to improve. When Claude ships, it pushes OpenAI to respond. We all win. But right now, based on what I built and what I experienced, Claude is where I'm spending my time. If you have had a different experience with Codex, seriously, tell me in the comments. And if this saved you from burning credits on wrong tool, subscribe. Thanks for watching.